Hello, it's Andrea. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what number day it is, but it's Saturday. And it's in June. We're in June. And guess what we just bought? We bought a bird feeder. We haven't had a bird feeder for several years. And look, it tells you like what kind of bird seed to get different birds to come out. I got this one because it's light enough for me to hold. And it says it keeps squirrels off, but we'll see. So this is interesting, like the top, you pop the top. But see this thing, when you put it through, you can turn it so it stays closed. And then, this is the seed we got. It's heavy. It's a heavy bag. Oh, Sonny wants to help. You want to help, Sonny? Sonny's trying to help. I got safflower seed from the National Audubon Society. Sonny's trying to help. You trying to help, Sonny? Oh, now he's going away. Let's put this stuff out of the way. Bob wanted me to do this outside so that if I spill it, he thinks I'm going to spill it. If I spill it, the birds can eat what I spilled. So I got some kitchen scissors here. Let's put this up. So, I'm going to get some of the bird seed. I'm putting it in this. Look, you can probably do this better than I can. I'm a little shaky and I can't pick up heavy things. Oh, hold on. And I'm trying to film it at the same time, so. See, I got some spillage already. One scoop is that, oh, it's gonna come out, some came out the bottom anyway. Well, that's okay. The birds will find it. I wonder how far you're supposed to feed it, or fill it. It's a tall thing. Maybe I can, does it say on here? It's the weight of a squirrel that triggers the mechanism. Oh, there's something on it that moves. Oh, I see. These perches, the squirrel can't stay on it, see? If a squirrel lands on it, it boop, pops right off there. I'm not going to fill it all the way up because I don't know how dirty this is going to get. I haven't had a bird feeder in a while, so I don't want it to get too dirty before it gets eaten. Well, look at this. There's an app you can get. It says, get the free Audubon bird app. It helps you identify birds. Audubon.org. Okay. What I got? I don't need this plastic thing anymore. I'll cut that off. Put that, get rid of that in a minute. This goes down. And then under here I can twist it. Oops. I didn't twist it in time. Here, I'll show you that I twisted it under there. I don't know if you can see. Twist. Okay. Let's go take this to the tree. Well, let me see what I want to do, because there's a stand here. Do I want to take this stand away from the tree? See, look, there's a stand in my holly tree. See it? This tree, back when we had bird feeder out here, this tree was much smaller. Oh geez, I don't know if I can get it out. Ugh. put this in there. See, look how much my grass grew up. Just because there was so much rain. Oh, are you okay, Slimy? Slimy says he's okay. Okay, so we'll put this here. I don't know. What do you think? I might have to get Bob to move this. Or I have this other thing over here. Let me show you this other thing I have. This thing that used to be for clothesline. It's pretty tough. I could hang it on this side, I think. Maybe I'll do that. We're gonna move the bird feeder. It's one of the neighbor dogs. Almost all my neighbors have dogs, so that's good. Oh, I tell you what though, when we were in Germany, one of the dogs barked in Germany. It was really weird. And people would take them in the stores and restaurants. There's some stores here you can take dogs into. So there's the bird feeder. Well, it's late at night now. I haven't seen any birds on the bird feeder. I checked it a few times. But we'll look again tomorrow. They're probably getting the word out that there's a new bird feeder in town. Bobby and Dave came over and Bobby barbecued for us, so that was tasty. That was lovely. And then we went and had some Rita's water ice, which was the first time we had it this year. Probably the only time we'll have it, because it's got a lot of sugar in it, but it was good. Anyway, I hope you're having a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.